So hi guys, my name is Yashraj and I have brought a new for you in which you will survive for sure. So let's begin without any further delay. So today we will discuss worksheet 50. It is scheduled for September 2020. It is for class 6 to 8. There you have to write your name. There you have to write your class teacher's name. Okay. So this worksheet is all about फैक्टर्स. इट इज अबाउट फैक्टर्स. ये हमारे फैक्टर्स के ऊपर वर्कशीट है. सो we will solve this worksheet. So let's begin. So there are some smileys given as you can see. So we learned, हमने सीखा 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to 12. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Yeah. So by this you can also check your multiplication and division. For example, I have done these divisions. So first what I have to do, that which is my answer, I have to copy it first, and then it is depend on my that I have to then this number or this number. Yeah. For suppose I divided it by this number, so my answer will be this number. So my answer is correct. But if the answer is of division is not the first or second number, so mean that your answer is incorrect. So see, we have learned to check our multiplication or division. So what are factors? So a factor is that number that divides the given number without leaving any remainder. तो अब देखिए, एक फैक्टर वो नंबर होता है जो डिवाइड हो जाता है हमें दिए गए हमारे नंबर से, ठीक है, और उसमें एक भी रिमाइंडर ना बचे. ठीक है. So our class has 24 students. One day the teacher asked the students to form lines such that every line has same number of students. तो एक क्लास, ठीक है, उनमें उसमें 24 विद्यार्थी थे. तो एक दिन उनकी जो है अध्यापक ने कहा कि देखिए कि ना उनको पंक्तियाँ बनानी है और उसमें सेम नंबर होने चाहिए. हाँ, यूनिक की किसी में ज़्यादा है या किसी में कम, सेम होने चाहिए. हाँ, और वो सारे स्टूडेंट्स के होने चाहिए. ठीक है, मतलब 24. So we have made 4 lines of 6 students each. Then a student said that we could even make 6 lines of 4 students each. The teacher mentioned that yes, there could be multiple ways to form the lines. तो देखिए, अब ना उन्होंने 4 पंक्तियाँ बनाई जिसमें एक पंक्ति में थे हमारे 6 विद्यार्थी. और फिर देखिए, एक बच्चे ने कहा कि हम ऐसा भी तो कर सकते हैं कि हम 6 पंक्तियाँ बना लें और एक पंक्ति में 4 विद्यार्थी हों. तो फिर इनके टीचर ने कहा हाँ, आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, ये बहुत सारे तरीक़ों से हो सकता है. We discovered the following ways one by one. देखिए, अब उन्होंने ये जो हमें गिवन है वेज वो सारे डिस्कवर कर रहे. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं there are three rows of 8 students. So it is written as 24 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 and 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Yes, they see, they are checking also that the see, if we are checking it, so we can check it by these, and if we are checking this, so we can check it by here, and they are checking the calculation at the same time, you can see, and the same is given below. See, like this, they have made 2 rows of 12, and it is see, we can read it by 24 is equal to 12 multiplied by 2. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. There are also there are 4 rows of 6 students. If 4 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4, 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Let's try to find factors of some more numbers. चलिए अब हम और नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं. फर्स्ट नंबर 42, ठीक है, 42. So see, there we will write 42. First I would like to tell you that see, a factor of numbers are many, but the you will take any number in the universe, the factor will be 1 obviously, ठीक है. And the second thing, that the number itself is the factor of itself. Yeah, so you take see 1 crore, so its factors will be 1 and 1 crore. Yeah, there are more factors also, but 1 and the number itself are the factors. Okay. See, any number has more and more factors, but obviously the 2 factors will be 1 and the number itself. Okay, always. So and then 1 multiplied by 42 is equal to 242, and then 2 multiplied by 21 is equals to 42, and then 3 multiplied by 14 is equals to 42, and then 6 multiplied by 7 is equals to 42. So the factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. Okay. So let's move to the other question. So second is, we have to calculate the factors of 60. Yeah. So see, there I will write 60. Yeah, see. So 60 and 1. So 1 multiplied by 60 is equals to 60. 2 multiplied by 30 is equals to 60. And then 3 multiplied by 20 is equals to 60. And then 4 multiplied by 15 is equals to 60. And then 5 multiplied by 12 is equals to 60. Yeah. And then 6 multiplied by 10 is equals to 60. Okay. So the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Yeah, 6 and 12. And Oh, there, and 10 is also a factor of 60. Yeah. Yeah, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 21, 30, and 60. So let's move to the other question. So it is 55. So let's calculate. So 55. What multiplied by 55 is equal to 55. 5 multiplied by 11 is equal to 55. So the factors of 55 are 1, 5, 11 and 55. So let's move to the other question. So 47. Yeah. So let's solve it. So 47. And so we can divide 47 by any number leaving 1 and 47. So our factors are 1 and 47. So let's move to the other question. So 98. Let's solve. So there we will write 98. There we will write 1. What multiplied by 98 is equal to 98 and 2. 2 multiplied by 49 is equal to 98 and yes, and then yeah. So if we will multiply 7 by 14, so our answer will be 98. So the factors are 1, 2, 7, 14, 49 and 98. Yeah. So we have solved all the questions. Yeah, and this worksheet is completed. So I hope you understand the fractions, and the link is in description. This worksheet link and how to open it. First, exit full screen mode and click on my video title, and then scroll down, and then you will see published on 31 August 2020, and then you will write, hello guys, in this video I discussed DOE worksheet 50 with you, and then you have to scroll down more, and then you will find worksheet link, and then I will provide you with the link. If you have any doubts, so comment me below fast, and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and then all, so that you receive notifications for my latest videos. And if you like this video, so click on like, and please watch my more videos also. So okay, bye.